about biking to campus and immediately imagining rain, hills, and showing up sweaty to class or work. Yeah, that's fair. But this is Eugene, and biking here, that's basically like unlocking easy mode. Let me show you.
Eugene ranks 8th in the country for bike commuters per capita, which means that somehow we beat Portland. Don't tell them I said that. Like Portland, this place is built for bikes. We've got more than 70 miles of shared use paths, and you can ride across town without biking next to traffic. But if you have to bike around cars, Eugene has 190 miles of bike lanes, plus nearly 10 miles of protected bike lanes, helping you feel safe on your daily commute. Here's a fun fact. Eugene has more bridges across the Willamette River for bikes and pedestrians than for cars. Cars have 3. We get 5. One of the many reasons Eugene is a gold-ranked city by the League of American Cyclists. Now, let's talk campus. The entrance at 13th and Kincaid sees about 3,400 bike trips every weekday. It's basically a river of bikes flowing through campus. And the University of Oregon? Officially a bicycle-friendly university since 2011. Which basically means, if you're not biking, you're kind of the odd one out. No bike? No problem. Grab any of our 450 public bikes around town. Students, faculty, and staff get a big discount. So yeah, you can literally decide to become a bike commuter in 45 seconds. And if your bike breaks, first of all, rude. Second, the outdoor program at the EMU has repair stations and tools, plus workshops where you can learn how to fix things yourself. Now, you can learn how to finally fix that weird squeaking sound. All right, shifting gears now.
To learn about why Eugene is such a great place to cycle, we brought in an expert. This is Mark Schlossberg, who teaches in the City Planning Department at the UO. Mark, where are we biking right now?
Oh, well, we're biking on 13th Street in Eugene. It's a really great way to connect campus and the University of Oregon by bike. But it wasn't always this great, actually. It used to only be one lane for bikes into campus and no way to get to downtown from campus.
Well, what happened to the road?
Well, it was a real problem. A lot of students were biking the wrong way down 13th just to get home or to get downtown. And then another group of students that are part of a student group called LiveMove, they spent a whole year researching this corridor and came up with a new design. And we're biking on it right now with the students' design. It's a two-way protected bikeway. It's really great.
Yeah, that's really impressive. Well, thanks for chatting with me, Mark. It was nice to hear from you.
Yeah, thanks. See ya.
When they're not riding bikes, our faculty members and students research how biking can make cities more livable and sustainable. Many of them are working with Oregon cities to make cycling easier and safer. I had the opportunity to even study bicycle transportation in Europe through a study abroad course last summer, and if you've never had the chance to bike in Copenhagen, I highly recommend it. Quick reminder, May is Bike Month, which in Eugene is basically a citywide celebration where everyone rides bikes. There are events everywhere, and yes, there is free stuff. I love free stuff. Realistically, all you need to get started is a bike, a helmet, a good U-lock, some lights for riding at night, and maybe rain gear if you don't want to arrive looking like you just lost a fight with a sprinkler. Find your gear at any of our top-notch bike shops.
The truth is, biking here just makes sense. Half the time, it's faster than driving. It's cheaper, it's better for the environment, and somehow makes your commute the best part of your day. Plus, you get to skip parking, which alone might make it worth it. So consider making your next commute a bike commute.